Good afternoon, my name is Gerson.
Hi, my name is Karina, and today we're going to talk about saponification.
The saponification is the hydrolysis of an ester under basic conditions to form an alcohol and the salt of a carboxylic acid. Saponification is commonly used to refer to a reaction of a metallic alkali with a fat or oil to form soap. Saponifiable substances are those that can be converted into soap. Sodium hydroxide is a caustic base. If it is used, a hard soap is formed, whereas when potassium hydroxide is used, a soft soap is formed. Vegetable oils and animal fats are fatty esters in the form of triglycerides. The alkali breaks the ester bond and releases the fatty acid salt and glycerol. If necessary, soaps may be precipitated by salting it out with sodium chloride. The saponification value is the amount of base required to saponify a fat sample.
This is the chemical reaction of saponification of an ester with sodium hydroxide. In here we're going to have the ester, known as a fat, and we're going to add sodium hydroxide and we're going to heat it to have a product known as soap. The reaction mechanism is based on nucleophilic acid substitution, where the hydroxyl anion on the carbonyl group of the ester gives an orthoester, which means a different position of its radicals. At this stage of the reaction, this carbonyl can be accompanied by the expulsion of the hydroxide or the alkoxide to turn into this. The expulsion of the alkoxide is going to bring us an carboxylic acid, and then we're going to have this former that is unproductive. And at the end, we are going to have that this ion is going to attract the hydrogen to turn into this, a conjugate base of our carboxylic acid and another product. This conjugate base of the carboxylic acid is going to be our soap. To make our soap, we are going to use some ingredients and equipment as a common oil, or it could be recycled oil, some water, scent, and dye. And we are going to use also a pan and a stove. And at the end, we are going to use some sodium hydroxide.
The sodium hydroxide is a dangerous material. It can cause injuries to the skin and to the respiratory system, and you must be careful handling it. Now we're going to proceed making our soap. The first step is filling a container with 175 milliliters of water. If you would like a colored soap, you can add dye. This is a yellow vegetable dye. I'm going to add a small amount. Now I'm going to stir it. The color is now yellow. Now I'm going to add the sodium hydroxide by stirring with a wooden stick.
Very carefully.
During the stirring, I'm going to add a little amount of salt. And this is to separate the soap from other substances. I'm going to keep stirring until getting a homogeneous solution. The container's temperature is going to rise because an isothermic reaction is taking place. Now I'm going to add slowly the vegetable oil into the liquid mix. And we'll keep stirring it. Can you help me?
Of course. Now I'm going to warm the mix until getting to the boiling point. When I reach this boiling point, I'm going to let it boil during 20 minutes. The chemical reaction that combines the sodium hydroxide and the fatty acids coming from the oil give us as a result an organic soluble salt known as soap. If you would like to make a scented soap, you can add natural scents as cinnamon or mint when the mix reaches the temperature of 40 Celsius degrees. When the mix gets thicker and thicker, put it on a mold and let it dry.
Thank you for watching. This is the end of our experiment, and we've got the soap. You can try doing it at home, and you can help our planet to be healthier.
Bye!